What's up, guys? Brian with SoCo Customs here, just giving you a little update, a little COVID update. Also send a little positivity your way on this Friday, more like Fry-yay, but some good news. We are adding healthcare workers to our first responder discount. We've always done our best to take care of the military, take care of our first responders, and we're adding the healthcare workers as they are now on the front lines fighting this. So that includes repairs, maintenance, that includes custom work, anything. So yeah, come on down and get your car work done. We'll make sure that it's in tip-top shape to get you to and from work, since you are essential. Also, we're still going to be making content for you guys. We're going to be making sure that we can help keep you entertained during this time where we all just got to do our part and stay at home. We've definitely cut our staff down here at the shop, so whether I'm on that work from home life or working down here, I will still be making content for you. We want to do some Ask Me Anything type things. If you got any questions about lifted trucks, about suspension, about particular parts and services, or maybe something wrong with your car, or you just want to know more about what we at SoCo Customs are up to, what we do, go ahead and ask questions, put them in the comment section below, and we'll start putting together some of those Ask Me Anything sort of little panel discussions. But yes, guys, we're still open for business down here. We do ask that you bring your car down here and leave it with us. If you're not feeling 100%, please stay home. You can go ahead and cancel that appointment. We would definitely understand if you did so, because we want to keep our techs as healthy as possible. We want to keep everybody in the shop as healthy as possible. So we are essential workers according to the state, but we do want to make sure that we're well taken care of and not putting ourselves at risk. So we would definitely appreciate all you guys for doing that. All right, guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. I'm going to be signing off here, but you have yourselves a good day.